we go. Hi, Aaron. Hi. Hi. We're about to try solid food for the first time. Yes, we are. These are yams. Yummy. You ready to give it a try? Are you excited? Are you excited? We'll try. Let's give it a try. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Oh, is that what you want? Go ahead. It goes in your mouth. Go ahead. Not sure what to do with it. I gotta put it on the tip. Hold on. Here we go. Here you go, Aaron. Here you go, Aaron. Oh, you're so ready. Oh, you're so ready. What do you think? What do you think, Aaron? You want to try some more? Try some more?